So a lot of people asked me about this e-bike, and I wanted to make a video and go over the specs on it. So let's get into it. For the motor and the battery, I have a Lithium King mount, which with the regular mount, it bolted all the way over to here, but it was putting the motor too high. It was putting it right about here, and it was skipping, the chain was skipping a lot, and it wasn't riding right. For the battery tray, we just have some tabs welded on to the main frame, and a little tray to hold it in place, and a little bit of rubber so that it doesn't get scratched up. For the controller, I have it mounted in a airbox, and it's just a metal tray, just bolted in there with some screws, and it holds in there pretty well. Doesn't move, doesn't have any wiggle room. The wiring harness could be a little bit better, but it works for now. I've been meaning to fix that up, but yeah. So for my handlebar setup, I have the key set up to be on the gas tank, which I like that feature a little bit. I have a nice little horn. My display. I have a surron throttle. I have a fancy little light. 2 modes. And yeah. The way I have my bike set up, I'm not running a handbrake, but I have seen people use their clutch and hook up a line to it that goes straight to the caliper, so they can have a handbrake instead of a foot brake. But for now, I just have a foot brake. For the suspension setup, I have a set of extra triple clamps, spring converted K-Tech forks, done by Merge Racing. That's in the front. And then in the back, I have a factory connection shock. I do need to get a stiffer one. This one's set up for about 120 pounds, and I weigh well above that, as well as the weight of the battery. That's most of the main stuff I have on this bike. I have some flow foot pegs and a 47 tooth sprocket. I will say 47 tooth is a pretty good happy medium. It's not too much torque, and it's not too much top speed. It's right in the good spot. I had a 49 tooth, but it was just a wheelie machine with that, so I went down on the teeth. I will say, with the mounts from Lithium King, the brake pedal is a little hard to reach with the way the motor sits, but I have it bent out a little bit, and I've been meaning to extend it, but I haven't gotten to it yet. Another issue I've been running into is my chains like to bind up in a couple spots, and that also could just be because of cheaper chains. But yeah, mostly that's my only 2 problems: the brake pedal and the chain. Everything else, couldn't ask for a better bike. If I had to recommend it to somebody, I would definitely tell them to do it.